stormwater into the wetlands. Immediately that's ringing alarm bells with environmental engineers at the council. Just for the hell of it, I've thrown a native tree over there. You're going to have to look up the council website and find out what happens if you start carving into a native tree. Just for the hell of it, if you go down to the outside, the yellow, what used to be the yellow lecture theatre through there, I think it still is. First one you come across is a placard, and you start reading that and find out how sensitive that water is to iwi. How sensitive, and why iwi donated this land in the first place to the government. When you read about that, you'll read that iwi comes into it in a big way, so you're going to have some sort of consultation before you do this job with the local iwi and approval. And I would suggest that approval means no silt in the water, some sort of siltation track, some sort of guarantee that you're not bringing any fill onto site that's going to damage the water and the wetlands, those little pukikos that we all hate that come and steal our lunch sometimes. They're all part of the whole thing. There's native trees out there, there's native birds, and there's the wetlands to think about. Now that's just one side of your drawing. I can see some of you thinking, oh dear, there's quite a few notes to go on my drawing to do with that. What about the construction of it? When's a good time to do it? What about right now when all the students don't know whether they're Arthur or Martha walking around the place? Let's bring in 10 or 20 trucks to go around the site. Roll over the top of the students. Yes, I'll only have half the number of students to teach. That's good. Obviously not. That's going to happen in the holidays. But that brings more problems because it's sunny. It's not wet anymore. Dust is going to go everywhere. There's going to be a dust issue which you're going to have to try and control as well. Also, it's going to be a lot more obvious when the trucks end up getting dirt on them, heading down Carrington Road, where exactly they've come from, which means you're going to get the site closed down. So you're going to have to organise some sort of watering tank to wash down the trucks before they take off from site. So there's different issues for different times. Is it financially viable to do this? At a time when UTEC is losing money, is it a good idea to put a new basketball court in? Those that play basketball would say yes. Others would probably say no. So, but somebody has got to be in control of the finance in your group, and they'll have to come out with a report on how much all this is going to cost. And that's only touching on some of the things that should be in a design statement. Okay? You will need to do a design statement with your assignment 2, but it's only a small one, maybe 2 or 3 paragraphs. But when it comes to your design report, I'm expecting 1,000 to 1,500 words. Now I'm not flexible on that. 999 you lose marks. 1,501 you lose marks. Now most students go, oh, I don't want to write a 1,500 word report. Guess what? Those students are emailing me a night before going, I can't write about it all. I need more words. Not my problem. So the hardest part about that report is bringing it right down into getting it into the right amount of words. Believe me, it's really difficult. When that report's finished, you have now got 4 drawings, a design report, and you need to do a presentation as a group. Now I'll divide you guys up. I'm hoping to get it all out of the way in week 12, but the chances are we may spill over into week 13. The bad news is you must watch everybody's presentation. If you're absent for a presentation, you'll lose a quarter of your marks. You're absent for 2, you'll lose half your marks. Absent for 3, you'll lose 3/4. Absent for 4 presentations, and you'll lose all your marks on your presentation. I take a roll, I shut the door, and that's it for the presentation. Now, as far as I'm concerned, if someone is going to present, then it's good. It's courtesy for the other people to be watching it, including me. If I've got to sit through 38 presentations, I am going to make sure you guys do it as well. So that's the deal. And before you're thinking, oh, well, if I work hard, I'll actually pass this course, so I won't do it. Have a look in your My Course details. You must attend everything on this course. If you don't, you will fail because of that. When I put the marks into grade book for at the end of